Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab M8 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Safety and Emergency. Following that, click on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Contact. Now you can tap on the one that you wish to set up and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you wish to change order of your contacts, click on Reorder at the top right corner and adjust it. When you're ready to save your changes, click on Save at the top right corner. If you wish to delete one of those contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!